सिक्वल में मेरा दिखा रहा है अराउंड 86.9।
ठीक है, मतलब इट्स स्ट्रॉन्ग ना। प्रिया वेरी गुड। प्रिया का डैशबोर्ड इज लुकिंग रियली गुड।
ठीक है गाइस, तो आई थिंक देखो, now this section tells you how strong or weak or let's say average you are in each of these subjects. So what I'll do is I'll go to let's say average. I'll see in how many topics I'm average, and I can do practice, learn with AI, give my test again, and then see my result. So what you see here is these are the result of my learning with AI and then attempting these quizzes. So for example, I'll go to view. So whatever topic you are weak at, you get that lecture. Then there is a concept of learn with AI. So first it told me the concept, then I understood it. It asked me a question, I'm giving the answer. Then it's saying, okay, you're on the right track, but there is a small issue. So you are using the wrong function. Right, so it is giving you that feedback. It is helping you to train yourself on that topic with AI. Until you solve 5 questions with AI, we don't let you go to the quiz. Then the quiz become accessible, and this is where you attempt the quiz. Net, what you can do is you can learn with AI, and then you can attempt those quizzes again, and then you can improve yourself.